Hello viewers, this is a Vornado model 663. This is going to be the unboxing and initial opinions video. I don't have a full review on this fan sometime in the near future after I've used it for a little while. These are relatively expensive fans, but they do come with a 5-year warranty, which is quite good. A lot of even major appliances that cost hundreds of dollars don't even have more than a year of warranty, so I have no problem spending more if I know the thing is going to last. And that's usually the case with these. They're very well made fans, and the company actually stands behind the product, which is pretty unusual in today's world. Now this claims, of course, quiet operation, as all fans claim. Moves air up to 75 feet. It's supposed to circulate all the air around the room, which these usually do quite well. Here's the, I guess this would be the front of the box. And there's the other side. I don't know if this has an AC motor or a DC motor. We're going to find out soon enough. Up at the top of the box we have the contact information for customer support, so there's no sifting through the internet trying to find the telephone number or anything like that. It's right there if you need it. Inside here we have the manual, which is actually quite thick, and it comes in paper. Isn't that nice? You don't have to fumble through the computer trying to download it. Fairly minimalistic packaging. We just have this piece of cardboard at the top. And pull this out, and here it is. Another piece of cardboard on the back. So far this has been very easy to open. There's a tie wrap on the cord here. We'll undo this. And there's prong protectors on the cord. It does have a fuse, but it is replaceable, so that's okay. I can tell offhand I don't like the placement of the switch. It's back here, which is kind of inconvenient. The handle is fantastic. Very, very easy to pick up. It's got nice rubber feet, fits firm and securely on the table. Antlers are soft. Here's the information tag. 0.6 amps, so it's pretty efficient. Probably a PSC motor. Let's see. Take the guard off real quick. If I remember how this works, or rather, if it works like the old ones do. I don't think it does. Maybe it's different. Well, to avoid damaging anything, I'll have to read the manual and see how it comes off. But let's plug this in and start it up. And it's quite warm in here today, so I would like to get this running. Okay, and let's see here, the tilt is 180, or no, that's not 180, that's like 90 degrees. Yeah, good enough. Alright, we'll start off on low. sure it's not in the wind stream of the camera. It's a nice slow speed. Very quiet. I'll blow this over towards the plant. And it's causing a little bit of disturbance, but not too much. Oh, durr, it's not aimed at the plant. Oh dear. Now it's actually aimed at the plant, and you can see it is moving some air. It's not a strong breeze, but if you were sitting doing nothing, this is a very nice refreshing breeze. And the noise level is very good, very quiet. Alright, let's go up to medium. Well, that was a significant increase in power as well as noise. It's not an unpleasant sound, it's just, you know, it doesn't have that obnoxious whirring that some of the 5-wing box fans do. It's kind of more like just the sound of air. It's like a lower frequency sound. It's kind of on the loud side though. But you can see it's moving some good air now. That's a pretty strong breeze. Okay, now let's go to high. That's definitely moving a lot of air. And that's a heavy plant too, it's not just a flimsy lightweight thing. And like it claims, it is moving all the air in the room. You can see this other plant, which is nowhere near the wind stream, that is moving. This plant is moving. Alright, so I'm going to take a quick look in the manual here and see if I can figure out how to get the guards off. Okay. Oh, there's screws? That stinks. The old ones never had screws. Well, that's too much hassle. You can kind of see the motor through here a little bit. On blur. It's not gonna... Oh, there it goes. It's a decent sized motor. So anyways, when it gets dirty, I'll open it up. If there's screws and everything, I'm not going to go through the hassle just to look at the motor. Alright, well, I will use this for a little while. It seems like a good fan. It's powerful. It's very sturdy, very easy to carry. I don't like the switch. That's lousy design to have it in the back. But otherwise it seems to be good.